Hey, good morning, guys. It's Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad. And I just wanted to jump on here really quickly, coming to you live from Queens, New York. And I keep getting this question. People keep asking me this question. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been sharing, at the end of my videos and on my lives, that I got involved with a new opportunity about now 3 weeks ago, and it's a $25 1-up. Good morning, Cora. It's $25 1-up. Now, this is an amazing thing. I've been an entrepreneur for a good long while, and I've done a lot of different businesses. But this is so simple and easy to use, and I'm just sharing it. I want you guys to get involved with it. Good morning, Dave Underwood. Good morning. I want you guys to take the opportunity and take a look at this thing. This is really something that's really, really, really serious and very interesting. $25 1-up is a simple cut and paste thing that you can use on social media, and you're sharing information. There's nothing that you really have to do. All the ads already done for you ads. There's already things that all you have to do is just plug and play. So if you can cut and paste, you can do this particular business. Good morning, Tanisha. Good to see you. So I've been sharing it. I've been doing it for 3 weeks, and without even really pushing it, I've already made close to $500. And every morning I've been waking up to income in my PayPal every day. It's instant 100% commissions every day. I've never been in a business that did instant commissions. Instant 100% commissions every day. There's no monthly fees, which is huge. It's huge. No monthly fees, and it pays daily. It pays daily. If you like proof, I can just show you proof or whatever it is. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I know you work hard. You work hard every day. And I know that most of you are working from paycheck to paycheck, and we can all use something a little extra. If you're an entrepreneur, we need income flowing into us so we can pay our monthly fees for whatever it is, or buy our products or whatever it is. But generally in our companies, we only get paid maybe once a week, or if you're lucky, once a week, or bi-weekly, or once a month. This opportunity pays daily. So I want you, if you're interested, I want you to drop a comment here, and just drop the comment instant cash, and I will send the link over to you in your messenger, in your instant messages, in your direct messenger, so you can take a look at it. It doesn't cost you anything to take a look at this. It's free. But if you're interested in making multiple payments, $25, $100 a day, every day, like I'm doing and like many others are doing, you want to connect with me. Drop in the comments instant cash, or you can inbox me instant cash, and I'll get this information to you right away. It costs you nothing to take a look. But if you're looking to just earn a few extra couple $100 a day, or extra couple $100 a week, I know that can make a tremendous difference for you and for your family. And with the holiday coming up, who wouldn't be interested in earning a few extra dollars? So it's been working for me. I've been sharing it. Everybody that I've been sharing it with and getting them started, they're making money. You can make money too. Generally, I don't join companies, I join people. And my mentor is the one that shared it with me. This is a multiple six-figure guy. He's been around. I've been following him for like 4 or 5 years. And he doesn't mess with anything that doesn't work, and neither do I. So I'm sharing this, guys, with you so you can have an opportunity to earn a few extra dollars. It's very simple. And the added benefit to it is, once you enroll, you get me as a personal coach. I will take you by the hand, walk you through the back office, get you set up, and make sure that you hit the ground running. And I will show you exactly the same things that I'm doing, the ads that I'm doing, and it's very simple, and it's a great thing. I mean, like I said, since last Friday to today, I've already earned over like $500 with another $200-300 out there waiting, because I got people ready to enroll. You can do this too. It's not complicated. It's not selling. It's not multi-level marketing. It's an affiliate program that you can share with other people. So if this is of interest to you, if you're looking to earn a few extra dollars for the holiday, if you're looking to supplement your business, if you just want to earn some extra cash in addition to the money that you're making on your job, and you just want to get started, you want to comment instant cash here, or you want to inbox me the word instant cash, and I will get that over to you right away. Good morning, Misha. Good to see you. All right. So I just want to jump on here real quick. That's all I have. I want you guys to take advantage of this. I hope that you got value out of this video. As always, connect with me. Hit the notification button here so you know when I come on every day, particularly Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays for my wake-up calls. And just get connected. If you're looking to earn instant cash, last time, 100% instant commissions every day. No monthly fees, and you get paid daily. If this is of interest to you, please comment instant cash. I'll get the information to you, send it over to you in Messenger, or you can inbox me on Messenger and I'll get the information to you there. On that, I want you guys to have a great day. It's a beautiful, beautiful fall day here in New York. A little chilly, but it's good. I hope it's great where you are. And let's make this happen. Comment instant cash and I'll get the information to you right away. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.